we will go with one of these. This one right here. Question 14. Question 14 is a yes. Looks like so, yeah. 14 is a yes, 100% yes. Okay. And then we're going to do pull these cards for question 14. Okay. It kind of went like this. Is retreat, rest, renewal, solitude, and recovery. Then we got the King of Cups. A supportive leader, tolerance, and empathy. So they're like either or, you know. Queen of Pentacles is a resourceful person, fertility, domesticity. And then we got the Emperor, which is a major arcana, which is like unlikely to change. The Emperor is respect, leadership, strategic planning, and a father figure. And then we have the Ace of Wands, a new project, inspiration, the urge to create. And then we have the Ace of Pentacles, which is a new job, raise, promotion, investment, new income. You know what? I forgot to look up the question first. So let's see what the question is, the statement for 14. The truth is that the moon is used to speed up the release of eggs in women in order to shorten the lifespan or reproductive span of women and or humans.